Welcome to Access Hope. Today's lesson will focus on the FIT formula, specifically the I for intensity, how hard you exercise. Which activity is more intense, or which activity would raise the heart rate more? Shooting baskets by yourself, or playing a full game of 5-on-5 basketball? Which activity is more intense? Point to or look at your answer. Vigorous physical activity requires a lot of effort and causes rapid breathing and accelerated heart rate. Vigorous physical activity is found on step 2 and 3 of the physical activity pyramid. These are activities intense enough to elevate your heart rate above your threshold of training and into your target zone. Vigorous aerobic activities such as jogging, aerobic dancing, cycling, and swimming are among the most popular and most beneficial of all the activities included in the physical activity pyramid. These activities are popular because they often do not require high levels of skill, often can be done at or near home, often do not require a partner or group, and frequently are not competitive. Other vigorous aerobic activities include exercise machines, circuit training, martial arts exercises, rope jumping, and water aerobics. Vigorous sport is sport that involves physical activity that is competitive, meaning it has a winner and loser, and follows well-established rules. Team sports such as football, hockey, soccer, volleyball, and basketball are among the most popular for high school students and for adult spectators. Even though baseball and softball involve some vigorous activity, and training for these sports is often vigorous, they are usually considered to be moderate activities. Vigorous recreation, fun, typically non-competitive, vigorous activities are often done outdoors during free or leisure time. Examples include boating, like canoeing, kayaking, paddleboarding, rowing, and sailing, and hiking, for example, backpacking, orienteering, and rock climbing. Vigorous sport and recreation. Many of the types of vigorous recreation can also be classified as extreme or challenge sports. Benefits of vigorous physical activity include reduced risk of hypokinetic disease, good cardiorespiratory endurance, look and feel your best, have a chance at a longer life, learn better, and meet emergencies effectively. In review, this picture of riding an exercise bike would be considered a vigorous physical activity. This picture of playing football would be considered a vigorous physical activity. This picture of rock climbing would be considered a vigorous physical activity. Riding an exercise bike would be considered vigorous aerobics. Playing football would be considered vigorous sport. And rock climbing would be considered vigorous recreation.